All right. On this station, we are using white vinegar, which is a ethanoic acid or acetic acid solution. Hydrogen ethanoate would be the, I guess, systematic name for ethanoic acid. Hydrogen ethanoate. You can find ethanoate on the first page of this document. You should have ethanoate ion on there. Now, sodium bicarbonate is the other reactant, sodium bicarbonate. Now, sodium bicarbonate is really sodium hydrogen carbonate. Bicarbonate ion means hydrogen carbonate ion. So it's got sodium and a hydrogen and carbonate. It's a white powder here. Yep. In this, we are adding some vinegar to it, and like before, I'm going to measure the temperature here. I guess it's very similar to the ambient temperature, 23.5 degrees. Okay, I think that's good enough. 23.5 it is. And into here, without hopefully dropping, I'm gonna put some amount of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now, as you can see, a lot of gas is being formed. I may have put a bit too much. No, it didn't overflow, so that's all right. A lot of gas coming out. Now, hopefully, you are able to guess what's coming out from what was used. It was an acid and carbonate reaction. Now, what was the temperature before again? 23.5 or something? Get it right. So 23.5 became less than 20. So there was a decrease in temperature. It's going up now, but it's 20 degrees now, but still a lower temperature compared to before. So what does that show? Was this exothermic or endothermic? Alright. Now, hopefully again, from the name here, carbonate, bicarbonate. That name hopefully gives you a hint of one of the products that came out. What gas was it? Something that the word carbonate reminds you of. Think about that. Right, next one.